Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, we've been really busy in the background here at Top Car Detailing, and it never stops sometimes, here, there and everywhere. So at the moment we've just got another car that's arrived. Wait till you see this. This is a black Ford Focus RS MK3. It is scratched to death, swirl marks everywhere. So what we'll be doing on this is the full detail. The interior, the exterior of the car, lots of polishing needed on this one. The wheels will be coming off. They're going to get sent away as well for refurbishment. So what we're going to do is dive into the video now at the beginning. We're going to go and take a look at the car outside before we even wash it. And then what we'll be doing then is coming back a bit later and taking a look at it. And also please take notice of this car when we pan round it. You'll see the condition it's in the first place. All the rubber seals as well are all discoloured, that type of thing. They need refurbing, and the front grille is peppered. So stay tuned, see how I turn this car around. So check out the video and I'll catch you later. Stone chips that's in there as well, gone right through. So we'll have to see if we can get some sort of a touch-up pen for that. This is absolutely peppered here, this part, especially over here on this end. But we'll see what we can do. As I say, I have mentioned this to the customer. Right, we've got a Focus RS that's been dropped off today for detailing. I put my plates on, simple reason being customer doesn't want the registration plates showing on this car. So at the minute we're just going to take a look around and see what's going on here when the state it's in. So straight away, the alloy wheels, they need refurbishing. That's all been sorted. We're going to send them away shortly. Right. We'll be sorting the interior out, all the door cards and everything. This rubber seal's come off here. I'm going to be having a look at that too. As you can see, the state it's in down here as well, and the sills down below the footwell. Alcantara seats, I'm going to be cleaning those up, and all the door cards as well. Dashboard, glass, interior. Right, so as I said, we've not washed this car yet. We're just going having a look round, seeing what's going on basically. All the front's going to get cleaned up here down below. I'm going to be sorting that out now. As I say, you can see the state the wheels are in. Quite a bit of work to do on this car. At the moment we've not had a close-up look at the paintwork yet, but once we get it inside, after getting it washed and dried off, then we'll be taking a look at this. So we've got the Focus RS washed and decontaminated now. We've cleaned all the engine bay up as well, and all the sills and everything. So we're going to get the car back in the studio now, and then we'll carry on and get these wheels off, and then we'll be taking a look at the paintwork. All the interior needs cleaning, lots of stuff on the carpets there, also all the sills round this area here, I mean, we've just been outside and washed the car. We're going to dry it all off now inside here, but effectively all this needs polishing as well. We'll be coming back a bit later having a look at this. Some deep scratches there too. Just taking a look at the paintwork on the car now at the moment. Same here, you can see them deep scratches there. It's horrendous what's going on here. Really bad. Same down the side of the door panel here, see? So what we're going to be doing next is getting set up, and we'll start doing some machine polishing along this side of the car, see how we get on. There is a few issues down this area too. We're going to have to do a bit of wet sanding here. You do a bit of wet sanding on this area because there's some high spots there. I've sorted them out. Right, so as you would have seen me there doing some wet sanding along here, so, and we'll be coming back to this shortly. So there's lots of issues there, and obviously with the edge of the car, and there's particles of dust in the top coat of lacquer as well, what I've noticed on some areas of the car, but you've got to be very careful too once you're doing this type of work. So I'll get set up now. We'll go and do some machine polishing here, probably take half of the door off, and I'll show you a before and after shot, and then we'll take another look and see how we're getting on with this. You've got to know what you're doing when you're doing paint correction, and doing it in a proper professional manner, using the right compounds, the right pad, machine speed crucial, and the amount of movements as well. And as I say, now looking at this part of the panel, we're getting more clarity, and on the right here, a swirled up, scratched to death mess. So you'll see me going down this side of the car now, doing some polishing, and then we'll be taking a look at it again shortly after I've done this side. scanning over there now. You can see the defects that's in the paintwork on this car. Absolutely horrendous condition. Selecting the right compounds important, the machine speed and right pad as well, and how many passes we do overall to get rid of these defects quickly. Taking a look at the bonnet here on the Focus RS. As you can see, I had to do some wet sanding to remove deeper scratches that's embedded into the top coat of lacquer. Also, just having a look round here, see all these swirl marks and scratches, holograms going on everything. This has been predominantly all over the car as well, so it's been in a bit of a mess, this one. But we're going to certainly turn this round for one of our customers here at Top Car Detailing. So you'll see me doing some machine polishing now on the front, and then we'll take a look at it a bit later on. So we're taking a look at the paintwork on this car, how bad it is. Absolutely horrendous condition. Lots of issues there, see what I mean? And you see me now machine polishing this panel. Now there's a couple of dents in this panel. As I say before, and there was a nasty dent around this area, gone, vanished. Had that sorted out for the customer too, so that's another job done. I say all this rubber trim came off the door here, does on all these Focuses. I don't know why. We're going to put some adhesive on here and then fix this back on here right the way around, and then we'll see how we get on with this. Right, so glued it with adhesive, heated it up with a heat gun, and we've got to let this set now. So that'll probably take about an hour to really bond in there, and then once that's done we can take this tape off. As you would have seen these wheels earlier on, what a mess they were in. Now look at this, fully refurbished, then repainted, and we can offer powder coating as well. And then once they come back to us here in the studio, what we do then is fully ceramic coat the wheels. That gives them more protection against brake dust and that type of thing. And then that's it. Look at that, like new again. Right, so going to put these back on the car now, and then that's another job out the way with. Dress the tyres, and then we're more or less finished on this car. The Focus RS MK3 is now finished and complete here at Top Car Detailing. Lots of hours have gone in, spent on machine polishing on this car, a 3-stage machine polish overall. What we're going to do now is go and take a close-up look at this. We'll get the camera out and we'll pan around, we'll have a look inside what we've done, and then we'll go and have a look at the exterior of the car as well and pull it outside in the daylight, and I'll show you guys how to do professional car detailing here at Top Car Detailing. But we also did as well, had all the wheels off the car, deep clean the calipers and all the wheel arches in series here. Sent the wheels away to get them fully refurbished as well. And look at that, the gloss level on these is absolutely stunning now, and they're fully protected and ceramic coated, the faces, the rear of the wheels and the calipers as well. But remember, before, all the front grille here was absolutely peppered with stone chips, that type of thing, and same with the plastic trim either side. But I sorted all that out, dressed that, and then dyed the front grille here black. Also then fully ceramic coated that too as well. All the splitter at the front and all the plastics and a special ceramic coating for them in particular. As you would have seen me in the video, I had to deep clean all the rubber trim all around the windows here, and then apply a dye to that later. We've got a special ceramic coating for rubber trim, and then we've sealed all that in as well. Polished all the door pillars up here too, and they're all protected now for the future. Right, so what we did is deep cleaned the full interior of the car. This is the Recaro seats here. You can see we cleaned all those up, and they look absolutely spot on now. Also treated all the plastics as well, the dashboard with a matte finish, and also the carpets. Same in the rear of the car too. All the backs of the seats have been treated in a matte finish as well, to coincide with the fronts, and all the plastic trim in the car, and also the rear seats as well, deep clean and protected, including all the dashboard, the fascia screen up there for the control system, and also the center console as well. Also ceramic coated all the sills as well on the vehicle, and the Focus RS plates too. Overall, the car needed a 3-stage machine polish to the exterior paintwork to remove those deep scratches and swirl marks and holograms that was going on there in the paintwork. The gloss on this car now is truly outstanding. It certainly turned heads once it's back on the road. It could actually tell the time in that cloth. What do you guys reckon? guys, thanks once again for watching another video on my YouTube channel. Just a bit more in depth, that one, of what I've done on this particular car, turning it round from a swirled up mess back to a mirror finish. And a bit of advice for you here: don't take your car to a car wash. That's what could happen to your car, and then what you're going to do then? You've got to find somebody like me to fix it. So the best thing to do is to bring your car to me in the first place. We can fully protect it with a ceramic coating here at Top Car Detailing, give you a guarantee with that as well, and explain and give you the right advice moving forward about washing your car and maintaining it for the future. Anyway, I'll have to go now, and I shall be back soon with another video. Now I wonder what that might be. Until next time, catch you later.